Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name's Ryan, and today we're doing a 50-yard ammo test with my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. If you guys haven't already, please go down there and subscribe. Really helps me out, helps the channel grow, helps us beat the YouTube anti-gun algorithm. Today we're going to be shooting Eley semi-auto Benchrest Outlaw. Not sure where this ranks in the Eley line. I think it's near the bottom, but we will soon find out if it shoots or not. So we're going to do my regular 50-yard test with the 10 sighters or fowlers kind of deal. Then we'll do 4 5-shot groups, and our last group will be 10 shots. We have magnetospeed data that will be displayed at the end of the video, and we'll keep track of that stuff as well. So let's get to shooting at 50 yards. My sighters are going to be on the left edge. I've made a little dot with a marker. Actually, I'm going to take the glove off too so I get a better feel of the trigger. So we'll do our 10 shots on the sighter mark there. And the rest of our shots will go around the square. Probably the last 10 will be dead center. So first 10, here we go. Come down one, where it looks like we're pretty much squared up where we're going to be shooting. So with the first 10 shots on the sighter thing. And I'm going to start in the top left corner of that square, and we'll work our way around like a clock, and then finish off at the dead center. Here we go. First 5-shot group. Looking very good to start. Next, top right. Another very good group. We'll come down and do the bottom. I'll do the bottom right. 5. Here we go. Ah, that one went to the right. Still not a bad group. Probably running just about right at an MOA again. Okay, the last 5-shot group. Group number 4. Bottom left. that was a really good group. Okay, now our final group for dead center. 10 shots. Will it perform? Let's see. I was definitely holding dead center when the shot broke, so that's a flyer. And that's a 1/2 mil to the left. Uncalled for. Half mil to the right now. I think we're falling apart. Well, there we have it. Looks like we used up way more than our 1 inch, which would be 2 MOA. So, other than that last 10 shot group, everything was looking pretty good. Definitely can't complain. I'm really curious to see what this will do at 100 and at 200. So maybe that's what I'll do next. Well, I hope you guys got down there and subscribed. Please give it a thumbs up. The algorithm likes that. It helps push our gun content through YouTube a little bit easier with that algorithm. So, thanks a lot for spending some time with me today. I'll put all this magnetospeed data up now. I hope you guys have a great afternoon and a great day. Take care. We'll see you next video.